Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW G20 3 Series here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a little walk around the vehicle whilst I talk through some of the options and spec. I will try and get through as much as I can, but these vehicles on the G20 Series are very well spec'd, so it will be quite brief. So starting of course with the outside of the vehicle, you will see that we fitted the Your Next Car G20 Performance Kit onto this vehicle. So starting with the front, you will see that it's got the gloss black front splitter, the gloss black kidney surrounds. We've also just fitted the G20 20-inch alloy wheels. So these are a 20-inch brand new alloy wheel with brand new tyres. Down the side we've got the M Performance side vinyls. As you can see there, the vehicle itself is finished in the Le Mans blue. This particular G20 320D does benefit from having the Comfort Access Pack. So as you can see, with the key simply in my pocket, I can walk up to the vehicle, pull on the door handle and it will unlock the vehicle. Inside the vehicle we have the Oyster Dakota leather. It has the Harman Kardon surround sound. We also have the power fold mirror function. As you've seen there, the mirrors do fold out as part of the Comfort Access Pack. We also have the electric lumbar adjustment and the privacy glass. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, where you'll see the satin rear boot spoiler, gloss black rear diffuser and the rear reversing camera, which we'll get into in a little bit more depth in just a moment. Another new feature for the G20 3 Series as part of the Comfort Access Pack is the Comfort Access boot opener, which basically we can just use the foot motion to open up the boot. There we go. As I say, you simply wave your foot underneath the rear bumper and there is a little sensors. It's basically a very useful feature if you've got, hands full of shopping, etc. The seats do also fold down for that bit of extra room. However, the new 3 Series does have a little bit more space in the boot than previous shape. The boot is also electrically closing as well as opening. That of course can be done via the key should you not have hands full of shopping, etc. Obviously the G20 3 Series is a brand new car, so it's all new chassis, all new engines, all new components. They are a fabulous looking car, and obviously if you've not yet seen it, there is another video of our white one which you can see next to it, which will also be not too many videos below in the channel should you want to check out the other features and options in regards to the G20 3 Series. Okay, so I'll quickly now just jump on into the driver's side and just talk you through some of the features and options we have. As I say, this is just a little brief video in regards to this particular spec on this one. Do check out the other video on our other 3 Series for more general spec on the new 3 Series. This vehicle has covered just over 17,000 miles, as you can see there. We have heated steering wheel on this particular 3 Series. Of course, it is all touchscreen on the new 3 Series, which I'll now give you a little demonstration of. So satellite navigation, professional wide navigation, that is. This particular vehicle does have gesture control as well, so we can simply turn things up using gestures. You can also swipe between different menus and do many other different gestures to do different other things, i.e. cancelling phone calls, answering phone calls and other stuff like that. You can also use the voice control function, which I did cover in the other video, so I'm not going to do it in this one, to keep things nice and short. Of course, it's got Bluetooth communications. We've also got wireless charging. And of course it also has Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi, which is another part of the tech pack that this vehicle has. Media, of course you've got DAB and screen mirroring, Bluetooth audio and AUX and USB. It's the sport gearbox with the paddle shift, cruise control, which is the radar guided cruise control. We have the latest digital dash with the multimedia display, so basically if you've got a sat nav you can change the display here whichever you like. So you can have sports displays up in there. At the moment we've obviously got the sat-nav screen set up in there, so it'll give you the view of the sat-nav screen in the centre display. All in all, the new 3 Series is a fabulous car to drive and to be in. The heated seats, of course. Okay, so that is a little walk around video of the new G20 3 Series here in Le Mans Blue. As I say, please do check out the other new G20 3 Series video for a bit more in-depth features. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Most of all, we hope to see you very soon here at your next car. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.